Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW guys 3 Series. This one will be generation E46 from years 1998 to 2006. And if you're guys trying to find the fuse for your rain sensor, stay with us guys and we'll show you where the fuse is located, how to remove it and replace it as well. We guys have more than 200 videos on this generation BMW and every car we get at the shop, because our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful. So let us show you guys where the fuse is located now. So we need to go to the passenger side of the vehicle, right here. And right now guys, okay, we need to open the glove box. So let's turn the light on so you can see a little bit better. We open the glove box. Right here you have two things that we need to turn. Okay, like that, drop down. And you're going to notice now guys, okay, right here that you have fuses on top and bottom. The top row, the fuse numbers are listed on top. Okay, you can see the bottom row, the numbers are listed on the bottom. So how we guys, okay, know which fuse it is? The fuse for the rain sensor now guys is fuse number 15. Okay, fuse number 15 is this fuse right here. Okay, the first one from right to left next to the fuse puller. So how you remove it? Okay, get the puller out. Okay, you need to squish on top a little bit. Pull it out. Grab the fuse and remove it. Now let me get a new one. All the fuses guys, you can check out that fuse kit that we have here. You can see where we get it from in the description of the video below for amazing price. Check it out and you just go ahead and replace it. When you're done guys, okay, you need to install, okay, your fuse puller here. Stay with us and we'll show you where the rain sensor is located as well. Okay, like that. Your rain sensor is located right here behind the mirror. And if you look guys through the outside, okay, that purplish thing, okay, right there, this is your rain sensor. It counts how many drops you have and it activates the wipers according to the count of drops. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Please guys hit that subscribe button for more videos. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.